Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cutepolish. In today's video, Erin will be sharing her top 10 tips and tricks on how to perfect your next at-home manicure. So let's begin.
Hey guys, it's Erin. My first hack for perfecting your at-home manicure is to find the perfect place to do your nails. It's really important to use a nice, stable, flat surface like this one here. Stabilizing your hands is really important, so make sure you're resting your arm and especially your elbow on the table or whatever flat surface you like. This will help you stay still and get a better application. Another easy way to keep your hand still is to use your pinky as an anchor. Extend it out and rest it on a flat surface like I'm doing here to help keep your hands steady. Hack number 2 is the best way to make sure your manicure lasts. Just like with a painting, you need to make sure you have a great canvas, so make sure you prep your nails properly before your manicure. Push back your cuticles so there's no excess skin or debris on your nail, and of course, always make sure to clean your nails before polishing with some cotton and either nail polish remover or rubbing alcohol. See how my nails are dry and matte now that I've wiped them down? This means that my nails are free of any oils, so my nail polish will adhere much better to the nail. Tip number 3 is for those of you who deal with ridges or texture on your nails. Sometimes the ridges of your nail can show through your nail polish, so there's an easy way to avoid that. Try finding a base coat that's a little thicker and is designed to fill in those ridges and smooth out the nail. This one I'm using here is a smoothing base coat by Live Love Polish, specifically made to even out your nail surface, which will make the final product look a lot more professional. My fourth hack is what you can do when your go-to polishes are starting to get a little thick and harder to use. It's a little hard to tell on camera here, but this polish is a bit thicker than I'd like it to be, and it gets gloopy when I apply it on my nails. So I'm just going to grab a non-acetone nail polish thinner, which you can find at most beauty supply stores and on Amazon, and I'm adding about 4 drops to the bottle of nail polish. Then I'm screwing the top back on and mixing the polish, and then the texture should be a lot better. You can gradually add more drops if you need and slowly find the perfect texture for you, so now you don't have to throw away your old favorites. Hack number 5 is an easy tip just to make sure you're getting the easiest possible manicure at home, and that's to find a brush that works best for you. So this tends to vary based on your unique nail shape, so find what works best for you and what you prefer. For me personally, I find that wide, flat nail polish brushes like these ones here, especially ones that have a rounded end, work the best for me. It just makes it super easy to cover my nail in just a few strokes, and the curved end makes it easy to get a clean edge around my cuticles. On to hack number 6. The secret to mastering your at-home manicure is to nail, no pun intended, the actual technique of painting your nails. So start at the center of your nail and then push the brush upward slightly to get closer to your cuticle. Then pull the brush straight down your nail and do a swipe of the polish down each side of your nail after that. And of course, don't forget to cap your free edge to extend the life of your mani. Ideally, you should be doing 3 to 4 strokes per nail for a clean and smooth application. Now, if you did make any mistakes on the side of your nails like I just did, here's hack number 7. Take a small brush, this can either be a nail art brush or even an eyeliner brush from the drugstore, dip it into an acetone nail polish remover, and use that brush to correct any mistakes you might have made. Nobody's perfect, but you can make quick touch-ups with the brush and it'll leave you with a much more professional looking mani. Hack number 8 is to use liquid latex. Here I'm taking my liquid latex and applying it around my nail before applying the nail polish. Once the latex is dry, I'm painting my nail and getting a little messy with it here since this is going to make for easy cleanup later. When the nail polish is still wet, peel off the liquid latex with tweezers and you'll immediately have less cleanup. And again, you can go back in with the brush if you need to. On to hack number 9, a good top coat. Top coat is such a key part of a good at-home mani, so make sure you're using one that's long-lasting, shiny, and dries quickly. These are 2 I really like at 2 different price points, and here I'm going to use the Hansen Miracle Gel top coat. Make sure to cap your free edge with your top coat too, because that's going to also help seal in your mani. And finally, hack number 10. If you always feel like you end up denting your at-home mani and you can never seem to wait long enough for it to dry, try looking for quick dry drops at your local beauty supply store. A lot of brands have them, and this one I have here is from Butter London. Essentially, this product will help your nail polish dry faster, and this one is also a dry oil, so it helps re-moisturize your cuticles with rosehip oil, which is nice. So I'm just dropping 1 to 2 drops on each of my nails and letting it spread all across my nail and onto my cuticles. It'll dry after a few minutes, and then you're left with dry nails and healthy cuticles. So those are all 10 of my best hacks for doing your nails at home. We hope you guys found this video helpful. If you want to see more cute polish videos, you can click the boxes here, and you can click the circle here to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. You can also subscribe to my personal nail channel by clicking the circle here.